Before you even touch the gas pedal to drive away, there are a few things you should always do first for your own safety. Skipping these can possibly lead to accidents, injuries, or traffic tickets, and the results and regrets that go along with those. So let's look at a pre-drive routine that is worth every second it takes. First, before you even put your seatbelt on, make sure your seat position is properly adjusted, especially if you're not the only one who ever drives the vehicle you're in. If you need to make corrections, move your seat backwards, forwards, and up and down as necessary. When properly adjusted, you should be able to easily reach the pedals, sitting with a slight bend in your knees. You shouldn't have to stretch your leg way out to be able to reach and fully depress the pedals. Your back should be up against the seat back, and there should be roughly 10 to 12 inches between your chest and the center of the steering wheel for safety, just in case the airbag comes out due to a collision. If you're stretching or sitting too close, you lose some control over your vehicle and increase your risk of injury. Once your driver's seat is adjusted correctly, then buckle your seatbelt and pull it tight across your chest. This one might seem like an obvious one, but it's skipped too often by too many people, especially if they're only going a short distance or they're driving in a sparsely populated area. But accidents can happen anywhere, so put your seatbelt on. Every trip, every time, no exceptions. Next, set your mirrors. And about the side mirrors, don't point them at your car so that all you're seeing is the side of your car. Angle them out so they reduce blind spots and help you see into the lane next to you. If you want to see more of the side of your car for when you have to back up or reverse park, add some blind spot mirrors to your side mirrors and angle those in so they show you that area. Your rearview mirror should frame the entire back window. And when all your mirrors are set right, you should be able to see cars move smoothly from your rearview mirror into your side mirror and then into your peripheral vision. Next, with your ignition turned on, take a quick glance at your dashboard. Do you have enough fuel? Are any warning lights on? These are things that could change your driving plans altogether. Before you drive away is also the time to adjust and set everything the way you want it. Set your climate control to the temperature you like. Set up your GPS, your music, your radio, audiobooks or podcasts, and the volume level now before you move. Don't do it while you're driving when it might cause you to take your eyes off the road and your surroundings. And this next one is a big one. Eliminate distractions. The most dangerous part of your drive is the part where you're not paying attention. Looking down, around, or anywhere but out through your windows or at your mirrors can make you miss something important that's happening around you. So, set up whatever you need to on your phone and then put it away. Setting it to Do Not Disturb is a good idea. At the very least, put it on the seat next to you, in the console, or in a phone holder. Also, clear your dash or console of anything that might roll off into the floor and get under your feet, gas pedal, or brake pedal. Yeah, and I'm talking about things like those ducks that a lot of people have sitting up there. If you don't have a safe way to secure them while driving, then they don't belong there. And don't hang things from your mirror that will cause a distraction when they move or that will obstruct your vision. It's illegal in several states to have something hanging from your rearview mirror, and it can and has been a contributing factor in accidents. If you have a drink that you want to have in the car while you drive, make sure it's secured in a cup holder within close reach and easy for you to pick up, hopefully without even looking down. Also, you don't want it in your lap or beside you in your seat where it could fall over, spill out, and distract or startle you. Next, make sure you can see clearly. Check your windshield, side windows, and rear window to make sure they're clean enough to safely see through. Clean them if necessary. If you have a backup camera, start your car and put it in reverse to make sure it's giving you a clear view behind you. And definitely clean it if it needs it. And finally, check your surroundings. Before you move the car, do a quick 360-degree check. Look for pedestrians, people on bikes and scooters and motorcycles, other vehicles moving around you, and for stationary objects. If you're backing up, use your backup camera to see directly behind you, but don't only rely on it. It doesn't show you everything that you need to see. And there you have it. 7 things to check before you drive away that can make driving safer for you and those around you. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so for more safe driving tips. And if you would, please let me know in the comment section below if there's something you always check before you drive away. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and drive safe.